Welcome to a world of limitless possibilities, where the digital realm becomes your canvas for success. Today, we embark on a journey through the realms of Amazon, affiliate marketing, dropshipping, online stores, and the art of earning online. In a fast-paced, interconnected world, the opportunities for carving your own path have never been greater. Imagine partnering with the e-commerce giant Amazon, a global marketplace that spans continents, bringing products and dreams to doorsteps worldwide. But that's just the beginning. Through affiliate marketing, you can amplify your reach by partnering with brands you're passionate about. Your voice becomes a beacon, guiding others toward products that enhance their lives. Feel the rush of creativity as you curate your own online store. With dropshipping, the barriers to entry fall away, making it easier than ever to share your unique vision with the world. Your online store is your stage, where every product is a performance, and every sale is a standing ovation. But remember, this journey is an adventure, not a sprint. Online earning is a testament to your dedication and perseverance. It's about refining your skills, adapting to new trends, and nurturing relationships that propel you forward. Surround yourself with a community of fellow explorers, people who share your dreams and understand the road less traveled. Together, you'll rise, learn, and conquer the digital landscape. As you dive into this world of opportunity, remember that the path to success is uniquely yours. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and let the world witness the brilliance that emerges from your dedication. So, whether you're working with Amazon, wielding the power of affiliate marketing, mastering the art of dropshipping, or crafting your own online store, know this: you're not just earning online, you're shaping your destiny. The digital landscape is your playground. Go claim your victory. Begin your journey now.